पास जानानै माबायदि मोनदों?
पास जानानै आङो गोसोखौ बिराद मोजां मोननाय जादों। फार्स्ट अफ अल आंनि मुङा जाबाय सस्तिका नार्जारि। बयनिसिमबो गोजोन फुंबिलि। आङो एबारनि Cbse बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशनावहाय 92.4% जों पास जादों। ओमफ्राय आंनि आउट अफ अल द साबजेक्ट्स आङो बर'आवहाय 99 मोननो हादों आउट अफ 100। ओमफ्राय आङो बेनि थाखायनो बिराद गोजोननाय मोनदों। ओमफ्राय आंल' नङा, आंनि लोगोफोराबो माखासे बिराद मोजां मोजां पार्सेन्टेज मोननाय जादों। ओमफ्राय आंनि स्कुलनि टिचार्स, भाइस प्रिन्सिपाल, चेयारमेन सारनि हेफाजाबनि थाखायबो आङो बिराद मोजां मार्क्स मोननो हादों। बिनि थाखाय आं बिराद गोजोननाय मोनदों। आङो बे फरायसालियावहाय 5 बोसोर जाबाय थानाया, बिराद उन्दैनिफ्रायनो दङ। बिराद मोजां एक्सपिरियेन्स मोनदों। बयबो बिराद मोजां, टिचार्सफ्राबो बिराद फ्रेन्डलि। बेनो।
बे साक्सेसफुलाव बेसेबां फरायनानै नोंथाङा साक्सेसफुल जादों?
आङो बे फरायसालियावथ' आङो 5 बोसोर जाबाय जानायालाय। ओमफ्राय बे जार्निया माने इजिबो नङामोन, नाथाय एथ'बां हार्डबो नङामोन आरोखि ना। बिराद इन्जयमेन्ट मोनबोदों। ओमफ्राय आं जेसेबां दा पार्सेन्टेज लाखिनो हादों बेजों आङो बिराद गोजोननाय मोनदों। ओमफ्राय स्पेसियेलि बर' आयदायावहाय बिराद टारगेट लाखादोंमोन आरोखि ना, बेयाव नांगौ होननानै। बेखौनो मोननायखाय बिराद गोजोननाय मोनबाय।
दा बेयाव फरायगोन ना दस्रा फरायगोन?
आङो दा बेखौथ' मिन्थिथ'ला, नाथाय बेखौनो सानदों। दा फरायबाबो दस्रा स्कुलाव फरायबाबो बेयावबो एखेयानोखा, नाथाय बाव फरायबा एसे गोजोननाय मोनफिनगोन आरोखि ना, मोजांसिन मोनगोन।
बर'आव 99 मोनदों। बर'खौ फरायनायाव माबायदि मोनो? जिहेतु इंराजिनि बे स्कुलाव फरायो।
बर'आवहाय आङो सिगांनि स्कुलावथ' मोनबोआखै। ओमफ्राय क्लास 5निफ्रायसो मोनदों। आं बर'खौबो एथ'बां बिदि एक्सपार्ट नङामोन आरोखि ना। मिजिं सारनि हेफाजाबजोंसो आङो बिराद आवगायदों सिगांहायबो बर' आयदायावहाय आङो खमानो मोनोमोन, नाथाय एबारहाय बांसिन मोननानैहाय बिराद गोजोननाय मोनदों आरोखि ना, मिजिं सारनि हेफाजाबजोंहाय।
एभ्रिवान, आङो ध्रुबाराज इसवारि, रियेलिटि पाब्लिक स्कुलाव फरायनाय। आङो एबारनि क्लास 10 एग्जामाव मोजां पास जाबाय 93.2% जों। ओमफ्राय आंनि एक्सपिरियेन्सआ बिराद मोजांमोन। टिचार्सफोरा आंखौ बिराद हेल्प होदों। आङो टिचार्सफोर गैयियाव जुदि हारसिं फरायोमोनबा आं एफा मोजां पार्सेन्ट लाबोनो हायामोन। आङो बे स्कुलाव एराउन्ड 6 इयार्ससो जाबाय। ओमफ्राय आंनि बे 6 इयार्सनि जार्निया बिराद मोजां थांदों। टिचार्सफोरा बिराद हेल्पफुल। ओमफ्राय आङो थेंकफुल जागोन आंनि फर्मार प्रिन्सिपाल डेभिड बर्मान सार, ओमफ्राय दानि प्रिन्सिपाल, ओमफ्राय दानि भाइस प्रिन्सिपाल सारखौबो। मानोबा बिथांमोननि हेल्पआवसो आङो आंनि मटिभेसनखौ मोनदों, जेजों आङो बे एग्जामखौ मोजाङै होनो हादों। आरो आङो बिराद थेंकफुल टिचार्सनि थाखाय, आंनि पेरेन्ट्सनि थाखाय हेल्प होनायनि थाखाय, ओमफ्राय स्कुलनि थाखायबो, मानोबा आं अपरचुनिटि मोनबाय बे एग्जामखौ होनो थाखाय।
माबायदि खस्थ' खालामनानै नोंथां?
आङो खस्थ'खौ मोजाङैनो होदों। एफाबो खस्थ' होनाङाखै। मानोबा स्कुलावनो बांसिना जाजोबखायो। ओमफ्राय न'आव थांनानै आङो 4 आवार्ससो प्रिपेयार खालामो।
How do you feel today?
I cannot explain how much grateful I feel for this moment, and as I have worked hard for it, but I didn't expect that I will get this much good marks. And I would like to thank my parents, my schoolmates, especially my teachers. They have encouraged me a lot and have guided me from the start. And as I was at first I was not sure that I will achieve good marks, but my teachers, they encouraged me and they made me believe that if I work hard I will get good marks and can make everyone proud. And I'm really grateful to everyone who has helped me from the start.
Will we continue here in study or you will go to another institute?
I thought about continuing here, but as I wasn't sure about my results, so I have taken admission in Cbse in Guwahati. And
what is your goal now? What is your aim in life now?
In my life, I'm going for medical, and I hope I get good marks and get into a good medical school and continue my studies there.
Thank you.
So my name is Priyadashini Demari, and first of all I'm feeling very grateful to like my results, and all those people who supported me, especially like my parents, the teachers of this school, the chairman sir and director sir, and all the other guardians, my friends. They all supported me so much for whatever I have achieved today, and it's a very happy feeling, and I'm very grateful to all of them. Even though like board exams, it might be tough, and people might like pressure you or peer pressure you for all of the things, like for you have prepared and all, but I think doing your best for what you have done is the best solution. Thank you.
How many hours you study for to success this?
I think like studying many hours in a day is like kind of inconvenient in my opinion. Like if you have consistency to study like 5 to 6 hours every day, if you study even a little bit each and every day and maintain that consistency, you can easily achieve the result that we all have achieved today.
You will be studying here, or you will be going to some university or colleges? You will be studying here.
For now, I have not yet decided that I will study here or like go another college or university.
What would you like to give message those who are going to write the next year exam for your junior?
To all my juniors who are going to give board exams, I wish you all the best, and I will support you for whatever decisions that you have made, and please maintain the consistency. Enjoy your time. Class 10, it might be like hard for all of you, and like people might pressure you, but at the same time, please don't forget to enjoy your time. Your time is now. Work hard. And
My name is Pujari, and I scored 96.6% in my class 10 boards. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to my parents, my entire family, my teachers, my sister, and my father, who is not. And I thank each and everyone for believing in me and made me believe myself that I can do it. And and today I'm here because of everyone's support. Thank you.
You are from Pucblic or from?
Actually, I'm from Tejpur, and I study here. I'm with my mother, and she's working here as an SMS teacher.
Your next ambition, your goal, what would you like to become?
I'll take the science stream, and I've not decided yet. I will decide. I'm not so sure now.
You will be studying here, or you will be?
Yeah. I will be studying here.
You stay at a hostel or from outside?
No, I stay in campus with my mother. In the quarters.
How many hours you studied for to success this?
Max to max 6 hours every day. Every day and day and night, 6 hours. And during holidays, I studied for 8 hours.
What would you like to give those who are now going to write exam next year? What will you give to message to them?
One quote that always inspired me was from a movie which I always liked, 3 Idiots, which was success के पीछे मत भागो, excellence के पीछे भागो, success छक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी. That's it. Thank you.
I feel really amazing. It was a big surprise because I did not expect getting so much of marks, Yeah.
You will be continue here study, or you will be another?
Yeah, I will be continuing here.
How many hours you studied for to success this?
Actually, it's not about hours but consistency, because even if you study for hours, you will get burned out. So if you stay consistent throughout the day, like at least study for 3 hours or 4 hours, then you will achieve what you want.
What is your goal now? What is your aim in life?
Right now, my aim in life is to give NEET and go for medical.
Thank you.
This time we have 122 children, and all of them pass out with the flying colors. It's a proud moment for us. Out of 122, 22 students got 90% and above, and this is the first time it happens in the reality history. So we are very proud of them, and next thing is that it is for their hard work, dedication. Apart from that, I would like to congratulate the parents also, as well as the teachers also, whose hard work and unwavering supports make this happen. Thank you all of you.